Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete or deactivate your Pinterest account permanently. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Pinterest app. Then you want to head to the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. When you're at your profile, you want to go ahead and click on the three dots on the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings. After you are at the settings, you want to click on the second option, which is account management. When you're at the account management, the last two options that you will see over here will be simply deactivate account and delete your data and account. As you can see, they're both different and they're both gonna give you different information. So if you try to deactivate your account, deactivating your account means that no one will see your pins, in other words, your posts or your profile, and you won't be linked to YouTube, Etsy, and Instagram anymore if you had your stores linked to this pin. You can reactivate your account anytime if you want. All you gotta do is to just log in with your current credentials. What is about the deleting and deactivating? Okay, so if you want or if you attempt to delete your Pinterest account, deleting your account will be permanent, and it means that you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. This means that all the content that you created simply will be gone. However, if you're ready to live forever, the Pinterest will send you an email with the final step. So this is kind of a backup plan if somebody really wants to, delete your account, somebody gain some access, right? You're still gonna get like a second verification through the email, so you might be able, to recover the channel, to recover the page, or simply, prevent your page to be deleted. This is how you're deactivating or deleting your Pinterest account permanently. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.